This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Mercury versus Yamaha outboards. We'll explore their core differences, from power delivery to overall reliability. Both brands are titans in the marine industry, offering a vast array of engines suitable for various boating needs. Understanding their unique strengths will help you make an informed decision for your vessel. Let's dive into what sets these two legendary manufacturers apart. When it comes to performance, Mercury often boasts impressive low-end torque and advanced digital integration, like their smart craft system. Yamaha, on the other hand, is renowned for its smooth, consistent power delivery and exceptional four-stroke engineering, particularly in their V-MAX SHO series. Both offer cutting-edge technology, but their approaches to achieving optimal performance can feel quite distinct on the water, catering to different driving preferences. Reliability is a key factor for any boater, and Yamaha has built a formidable reputation for long-term durability and minimal issues, often requiring less frequent major repairs. Mercury has significantly enhanced its reliability in recent years, backed by strong warranty programs and a widespread service network. Both brands emphasize the importance of routine maintenance, such as annual servicing or every 100 hours, to ensure peak performance and longevity. Considering the cost and overall value, initial prices for Mercury and Yamaha outboards can vary by several $1,000s, depending on the horsepower and specific model. Both maintain excellent resale value due to their market dominance. While fuel efficiency can differ, with some Mercury models showing up to 15% better economy in certain conditions, it's crucial to evaluate the total cost of ownership, including maintenance and potential parts, over the engine's lifespan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.